Hey everybody, it's Jewelyn and Catherine. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my collective plant friend plant haul here for the Pasadena Rose Bowl flea market. We are actually filming in front of the Rose Bowl because if I don't do this here and now, we won't have Catherine's haul with mine. So give this video a big thumbs up because we're literally filming right in front of the Rose Bowl. So literally we just picked these all up within the last hour and a half. So they're newly adopted babies, and if you guys enjoy seeing Catherine on the channel, definitely give this video a big thumbs up as well. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. So first things first, Kat, we hit up a few of the plant vendors that we normally go to, but then for some odd reason, there was so many plant vendors that we've never been to before that when we talked to them, they said they've been here for like a long time. So it's kind of weird how we missed them in previous come with me's. I wonder why, Kat.
I think the outside area at the Rose Bowl it's prolific. It is so large and you can really get lost in there. You have to just wend your way through. So I'm expecting that we hit all of the regular vendors for the inside that we know, and we definitely hit one on the outside that we know. But it's because some of those vendors are deep within the flea on the outside. We went to, never been to before, so that was very fun for the channel. So first thing I want to talk about is, I think we should talk about, oh my goodness, this is crazy. I know, I've already snagged my scarf on all these cacti.
Talk about the guy that we've been to before. He's a Mexican plant dad. He has a really cool collection of plants. I've gotten my agaves from him before. And I got 2 plants from him, and Kat, you got one really cool one too.
We learned so much about him today. He was so talkative today.
Yeah, he was very talkative.
Very friendly today.
So, yes, he's part of a club. And he's like, what club are you? I'm like, club by myself.
Club Jewelyn.
Club Jewelyn. So this is a really cool, I think this is a euphorbia if I'm not mistaken. And I do this, you guys, all the time where I repurchase plants that I already have in my collection. I got this particular plant with Catherine at the plant show that we went to a while back. Although it is smaller than this one, and hence why I got this one. Because I love this plant so much, and I think this was really a good deal too. So I got this for $10.
Crazy good deal.
What a good deal. So I think this was a really cool find. Again, I think it's something to do about plant shopping at flea markets. I go a little bit more crazier when I come to flea markets because I feel like it's, I don't know, it's like it's just, I don't know, I can't explain it.
I feel like there's love because I feel like those people have really cared for those plants themselves.
Because like if I maybe seen this at a plant nursery or something, I don't know if I would have gotten it because I already have this plant. But I already have this plant and I wanted to repurchase it because I really like the vendor and it was a really cool one from the selection that he had. So
he always has interesting stuff.
Ended up getting really that one. Kat, what about you?
That's what I got from the same vendor.
Very
so
cute.
Beautiful. And he had lots of like really cool agaves and aloes and stuff like that today, don't you think?
I love that. Yeah. Then I went back to him and I ended up getting this Banto Sensation. Now this has been on my wish list for my Sansevieria collection. I see this everywhere. At least 50% of the retail spaces that I go to, plant shopping and for the channel, always has the Banto Sensation, but I ended up picking up today. And I think now when I look at it, it'll remind me of the Pasadena Rose Bowl. So this was the last minute purchase. But definitely, I think there was another Banto Sensation at another vendor.
So surprised if you didn't get that.
I know, she was calling it too. Okay, Kat, what else did you get? She already went plant shopping before me. Right. So then we went to another vendor that we go to, and I got some really cool stuff. Like I got a Crescent Echeveria last time from that plant vendor.
They're also very nice. They really, for these guys,
I didn't get anything today from this plant vendor, no.
I love the way that this person labels everything, and they also have wonderful pictures so you can tell when that blooms, what the blooms are going to look like, and everything's very, very well organized and the prices are clear. So sometimes it's just really fun to shop somewhere that's so organized.
So the cool thing is that I got this plant in Carpinteria, and the plant vendors, the plant nursery, they didn't even know the ID on this plant. So isn't that funny, Kat? Like a couple days later you get the plant and it's labeled. So funny. So she got plants from that vendor, and we've been to that vendor before. I didn't purchase anything from that vendor, but I did purchase a Ripsalis from another vendor that we go to. Kat got one too. So here's this guy here. A lot of personality. Again, another Ripsalis. I collect them. Very fun, full of personality. Love that. Kat? Here's Kat's one compared to mine. So slightly different ripsalis. Very cute. Kat, we could even like split if you wanted to. We could also do that too. We can half it. Kind of echeveria.
Little echeveria, maybe. Yeah, I think.
If anybody
So
can ID
pretty.
this one, very cute. And this was like the best one out of everything that they had
so
left.
too.
But yeah, that
think
vendor,
so
we got there super late, so half of the things were already sold out. But I think we did good, guys, because we did come towards the end of the Rose Bowl, because I work till 12 now, so I can't get here at 9 a.m. like I used to, which is like the best time to come, I think, early in the morning. Okay, so at this one plant vendor that we've never been to before, which is randomly like here, but we've never been to this particular
No, we haven't
vendor.
been to this vendor.
She got this Sansevieria, and there's tons of babies, guys, like lots of babies. So I'm kind of interested, Kat, to see how well this does in your collection. Again, you can go ahead and pull it apart. You can propagate the bad parts, stick the ends in water, and you can have a whole new plant. Now from that same vendor, I lost myself. It's just the same one that Kat has, but like larger. They're like brothers from another
They're
mother.
brothers, yeah.
Yeah.
And there's a baby in there that's rooted already.
So cute. There's lots of fallouts here. I definitely want to be super careful transporting this back to my home, because we know these guys are very finicky, and they're very easy to just lose a lot of babies. So I got this. And of course, I could not have another plant day with another epiphyllum, guys. I don't know how this works out, but I got another one. So here is the last baby of the day. Take a look at this. I want to say it's something that I don't have, but you know, it's hard because none of my epiphyllums are labeled, Kat. I don't have any IDs on them. I just kind of can tell that they're different just by the shape of the growth of the leaf. Kind of interested to take it out and see what the root system looks like.
Right.
So guys, that's gonna be it. Another fun epiphyllum for the collection. There's so many cool things. Again, a new Sansevieria which I'm adding to my collection, which was really fun to see.
Love that one.
Which has been on the wish list, and I could buy it from a plant nursery, but I think it's a little bit more special that I got it here at the flea market. And again, I do this from time to time where I repurchase the same baby I have. I don't know, maybe I can sell the other one, but that one was from the plant show, so that is also special to me too.
I say put them together.
Okay, so maybe they might go together,
Put 'em
guys.
together.
We'll see. If you guys enjoyed this haul out here at the Pasadena Rose Bowl Flea Market, literally we are outside as it close up. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Hit the bell and subscribe button to be notified on the daily uploads that I do on this channel, guys. There's a new video out there for you guys on the channel at 5 a.m. every day. I have hundreds of videos for you guys to binge watch and get some plant inspo. If you guys enjoyed this collective plant friend plant haul, let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite baby, and if you guys watched to come with me, and if you didn't, it's the video that's going up before this one. Let me know what would you go home with, and if any of the plants you have in today's haul, sound off down below. I would like to know. And stay tuned, because who knows, we might be coming back. I'm pretty sure we'll be coming back in an upcoming month or so to the Rose Bowl Flea Market. It's definitely fun, but it's very far from us. It's
warm months. We're gonna be in shorts. Next time you see us here,
hopefully,
we'll be in shorts.
Because right now we're up in layers. But it takes about like 45 minutes, maybe an hour to get out here, so it's definitely not around the corner for us, but definitely worth the drive. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Until next time, aloha from Pasadena, California. Bye, guys.